We all have them, those pesky negative thoughts that creep in and steal our joy. The first step to overcoming them is simple awareness. What situations make you feel anxious, stressed, or angry? Is it a specific person, place, or maybe even a certain time of day? Pay attention to your triggers. Once you know what they are, you can start to manage them. Remember, awareness is key. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. Suddenly, you can see what's there and navigate around it. Now that you're aware of your triggers, it's time to dig a little deeper. Self-exploration is about getting to know yourself, your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. You can do this through journaling, meditation, or even just quiet reflection. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist. The more you understand yourself, the better equipped you'll be to handle those negative thoughts when they arise. It's like having a roadmap of your mind. When you're feeling overwhelmed by negative thoughts, it's important to have healthy coping mechanisms. Find activities that help you relax and de-stress. Maybe it's yoga, reading, spending time in nature, or listening to music. Physical activity is also incredibly beneficial. Experiment and find what works best for you. These activities are like a reset button for your mind, allowing you to approach your thoughts with a fresh perspective. Now comes the empowering part, confronting those negative thoughts head on. When a harmful thought pops up, don't just accept it as truth. Challenge it. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? What evidence do I have to support it? Often you'll find that these negative thoughts are based on fear or insecurity, not facts. Replace them with positive affirmations and realistic self-compassion. You are capable of amazing things.